In primetime news tonight, government to review key MOU following fishermen debacle. Tourism chiefs on the offensive following stunning claims about sex selling children in Jamaica. And rising temperatures gripping the country. Authorities put citizens on alert.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Herman Green has our preview. Herman?
Thanks, Janella. Well, there's a call for banks and other entities to provide more financial help to private sector companies. That call is coming from the central bank. We'll tell you all about it in the Business Day.
And Spencer Darlington has the hookup with what's happening in sports.
Thank you very much, Archie. Well, the J3s, we are awaiting their final decision on the selection process for Sunday's aborted women's sprint hurdles at the National Stadium. We'll tell you more later.
Controversy, wow.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what are you doing to cool down this summer?
I can't seem to do anything, to be honest. But anyway, you can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Now, if you stick around to the end of the news, I'll tell you what I did last summer. Now, Primetime News returns right after this break.